Can the wrong filter damage my HVAC system? Yes, using the wrong filter can absolutely damage your HVAC system. A filter that is too thick, too restrictive, or simply the wrong size can choke off airflow and force your system to work much harder than it should, leading to costly breakdowns over time. Think of your HVAC system like your lungs, and the filter like a mask you wear. If the mask is too thick, it becomes really hard to breathe, right? Your system feels the same way when the filter blocks too much air from passing through. When airflow gets restricted, the system has to pull harder to move air, which strains the blower motor and can cause it to burn out way before it should. Here's something most people do not know. Filters have a rating called a MERV rating, which stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, and it ranges from 1 all the way up to 20. A higher number means it catches smaller particles, but it also means tighter weave, which can seriously restrict airflow if your system was not designed for it. Many homeowners think a higher MERV rating is always better, but if your system was not built to handle it, you could be doing more harm than good. Always check what your manufacturer recommends before grabbing the fanciest filter on the shelf. One common mistake is grabbing a filter based on price alone without checking the size or MERV rating that matches your specific system, so always check your owner's manual or the sticker inside your unit first. Another big issue is forgetting to change the filter regularly, since even the right filter becomes the wrong filter once it gets clogged with dust and debris, so set a reminder every 30 to 90 days depending on usage. A lesser-known issue is using filters with metal frames in systems that were not designed for them, since the frame can sometimes interfere with the seal and let unfiltered air sneak through the edges, so make sure your filter fits snugly every single time. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.